create here partition. I take a line, again line, okay, O for offset 3 feet, TR for trim, okay, and here I have double door here, take a line, O for offset 4 feet, trim this side, okay, let me change my layer to door, take a line, draw 3 feet line, 3 feet, type 2 inches, again 3 feet, again take a line, here, type 1.5 inches, 4 inches, again line, 1.7 inches, 6 inches, again select here, MI for mirror, okay, make a line again, come to end point and come to downside here, click here and type 3 feet, and go to circle and click endpoint to endpoint, you see 3 feet, type TR for trim, okay, select your door, rotate, no, take a mirror and select here, again select and type MI for mirror, again select, rotate, click copy, okay, here, type G for group, select again, CO for copy, click here and come to this side, again select, type MI, create middle line, okay, yeah, again click here, group this one, type G for group and CO for copy, click here and come this side, okay, again this one, CO for copy, come here, oh sorry, G for group, okay, move, and delete here, again delete, delete, and here we have double door here, okay, I select, type MI for mirror. Okay, select, type M, enter for move. Okay, click here, again select and go to scale and click the end point here and come to downside, click reference, again click here and click here and move to this side. Okay, I make a line here, sorry. Now Windows door complete. Let's go to window, make a line here and take also take a right angle and click here, 4 feet by 9 inches, make a line. Okay, O for offset 1 inch both sides, delete the middle line, select the middle line, change color to blue, and select. Now copy. Okay, again copy, then select and rotate, click copy, select here, type M for move, turn off auto mode, again select, copy, okay, now delete here. Okay, here we have some more windows here, buff window, select a line, O for offset 1/4 both sides, make a line, O for offset 1 inch both sides, select the middle line and delete it, change to blue color. Okay, now I complete my door and window. Change this one to hiding light, switching the hiding. Change to hiding light. And okay, select, change to hiding, say right click, okay guys, thank you for watching.